ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Faryad Dave. Hi children, welcome to our class. What are we going to study today? English grammar for standard 4th. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What am I doing here saying ABCD for you? Huh? Are we going to learn ABCD? You don't know ABCD? Well, you all know it very well. What are those A, B, C, D? Letters, right? And those alphabets comprises of what, children? Consonants and vowels, right? Our chapter is saying chapter number 1, alphabetical order. Now those letters, if I say A, D, F, X, Y, P, Q, R, S, okay, then too I said it. Is it okay? No, it's not okay. It's not in order. We have the alphabets in order, and that is why it is written like this. Can you see the order? After A comes B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, so on, and the last letter of the alphabet is Z. This is the correct order of the alphabets, right? Now children, in the class, why we are talking about this alphabetical order here? All the letters are in a particular order. We saw in the first slide, right? That is known as ABC order or alphabetic order. Okay, because they were arranged in the correct order, in the right sequence. So, what has this got to do with our chapter today, alphabetical order? Now, in our class, there are so many children, Rahim, Raza, then Himanshu, Abhi, Niyati, Ranu, so many of you all are there. Early morning, what does the teacher do? She will take your attendance. Have you seen the register book? Yes. What is done there, children? Alphabetical order, right? You get the roll number also according to the alphabetical order. It will be Andarya, Ankit, then what will come next? B, Bhagirath, then C, then D, Dhyani, yes, all A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That is for a particular order. So we don't miss out anyone. Everyone's name is there. That is why in this chapter we are learning about the order of alphabets. Let's see. Words beginning with the letter A comes first. Ankit, Amit, Akhil, right? Then beginning with B. Bhavesh, Bhavin, yes, Beena, so on. And then comes C. Chetan, Chetna, Cheta, so on. That's on. That's the big list. And the last letter of the alphabet is Z. Z is for zebra, right? Now, this is the actual order. And we have so many things to be kept in order. What are the things that is kept in order? Words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter, always. A, yeah, supposing, what is your name? Stand up. Your name is Ankit. A-N-K-I-T. What is your name? Amit. A-M-I-T. Now what will come before N or M? M. So Amit will come on the top, followed by Ankit. Yes, N is after M. So we follow every letter of the word, and that is how it is kept in order. Where do you find things kept in order, children? Can you see this? This is a dictionary. Supposing you want to find the meaning of sweet, then you have to search for the first letter of the word. What is the spelling of sweet? S-W-E-E-T. So you have to go to the alphabet S. Can you see the main S here? Yes. You have to go to the letter S. You can see the letter S and you open on that page exactly. And then you search for E. The second letter of the word is E. And then you find, supposing you have so many SE, then you go to the third letter of the word, S-W-E-E. And there you will find sweet. And then you get the exact meaning of the word. Simultaneously, you go to the encyclopedia. In the encyclopedia, you want to know the meaning of a term. Term of science, term of social, no? Many terms we don't know. So you want to know the meaning of that word. Yeah, so then we have to find according to the, it is all arranged according to the alphabetical order. And the most important thing, and what we all use at home, is the telephone directory. Yes, in that also you will find all the names given in alphabetical order. Supposing you don't know anyone's name and you want to search, immediately you go to your mobile and you search, and in that you will find, if you want to find Dharmesh's phone number, you will click D and automatically it will come DH, the second letter of the word, then the third letter of the word, and you get the perfect name that you are searching for. So these are some places where we use the alphabetical order. And in the school, your register, then we write the names in your answer sheet. Everywhere we follow the alphabetical order. Here I am giving you a picture, children. Let's try the alphabets. How do we do it? This is a picture of some birds. Sparrow, chick and peacock. What is the first letter of sparrow? S. What is the first letter of chick? C. And what is the first letter of peacock? P. So now let's say the ABCD. A, B, C. Is there C there? Yes, chick. The first letter is C. So first word will come chick. Then let's go forward. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. S, there is a word. What is that? Sparrow. So we will write the second word, P. P first and then S. Sorry, children. It is L, M, N, O, P. Peacock, P. The second letter, second word starts with the letter P, and that is peacock. Go forward, Q, R and S. S is coming last. So the sparrow will be placed last. So we got first C, the first letter of the word, second letter of the word P. Yeah, the P is the first letter. And the third word is sparrow, first letter is S. So we get it, chick, peacock and sparrow. And hence we arrange like this. Chick, C, P, peacock and third sparrow. So this is the first letter of the word arranging in alphabetical order. Let's see here. A, B, C, D. Can you see these pictures? Deer, balloon, apple and cat. Can you see A? Where is A? Any letter? Any word starting with A? Yes, apple. Right? So the first word will come apple and the second will be B for balloon. The third letter is C C. So there is a word from C. What is it? Cat. And there is a word from D also. What is it? Deer. So I hope by now everything is clear. A, B, C, D in order as per the alphabets. When more than one word is there, when one word is there and it begins with the same letter, it begins with the same letter or letters, then what do? We list the words according to their second or third letter in the word. Let us see how to do that. A-C-T-O-R, actor. Now A, alligator A, anthill A and apple A, all are starting with the same letter A. So we can't change because all are A, right? So we go to the next letter of the word and the next letter says C, L, N and P. So let's say C comes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So alligator comes second. M, N comes third. O, P. So P is the last word. So we go to the next letter of the word if the first letter is same. Right children? That is the rule. The same next example you see C, L, C, L, C, L and C, L. Two letters are same in the word. Then what we do? First two letters are same. So we start comparing or we start following the ABCD order with the third letter of the word. And what is the third letter? A, so it's arranged A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and then comes the last letter U in the alphabetical order. So on. This is when the first letter is same, we go to the second letter of the word. For the second example, you see the first two letters are same, then we go to the third letter of the word for following the alphabetical order. We arrange the words according to the first letter. We saw the example of chick, we saw the example of peacock and sparrow. That was the first letter. Then the first two letters we saw CL, right? And then the first three letters also can be compared. We will see it in the next slide. And then the four letters are same in the word. There are four letters in the same. Let us see which are they, how to compare. Now these are the examples of all the different types of arrangement of letters. M-A-T mat, milk, M-O-P mop, M-A-G mug. Children, what do you see in the first line? The first letter is same. So we have compared the second letter, right? Yes. And then the second example says fable. Two letters are same. F-A, 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 F-A. So in that B comes first, A-B-C, then D, then L, then M. Third one, three letters are same. T-R-U, T-R-U truck, T-R-U-N-K trunk, T-R-U-S-T trust and T-R-U-T-H truth. So you see the three letters are same. Then we start arranging the alphabetical order from the fourth letter of the word. That is C-N-S-T. The fourth example is about four letters in a word. Four letters are same in a word. B-O-U-N, B-O-U-N, B-O-U-N. So then we arrange the alphabetical order from the fifth letter. So here C comes first, then comes D, then so on, and the last word is T. So I hope you have understood how we arrange the alphabetical order. First you go to the first letter of the word, compare it, say the ABCD and arrange it. If all the first letters are same, we shift to the second letter of alphabetical order. If two letters are same, then we go to the third letter of alphabetical order. If three letters are same in a word, we go to the fourth letter of alphabetical order. And if four letters are same, we go to the fifth letter of the word for alphabetical order. So this you have to be very careful. It's very easy because you know the ABCD very well. You have studied ABCD right from nursery, right? So it's very easy, but this is very important to learn because we have to write things in order. And then arrange these words, group of words in alphabetical order. Car, bus, T, S. So what will come? Car will come first, bus will come second, then what comes? R, S. So ship will come and then will come train. This you can do it on your own and write it in your notebook, right children? Potato, tomato, carrot, beet. What will come first? A, B, C. So carrot. A, B. B will come first, beetroot. Then comes C, carrot. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So potato will come third. And then comes tomato, right? Then the third one. So on. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You see the first letter, all are H. So you go for the comparison, alphabetical order to the second letter. O, A, U, E. So A is there, hard. Then E is there. Then O is there. And last U, as per the alphabetical order. The last fourth number is B. BR, 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 BRI. Three letters are same in the word. So we start alphabetical order from the fourth letter of the word. The fourth letter here is G, R, E, S, E and D. So A, B, C, D. So bridge will come first. Then will come brief. Then will come G and then will come S. So this you are going to write in your notebook and practice. And then you can write 10 name of your friends in alphabetical order. Yes, that's also, you can have fun with writing in alphabetical order. I hope you have enjoyed this alphabetical order chapter well. All the best and have a nice day.